Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at division of a fraction. So this is dividing a whole by a fraction. So this is coming from CPM's course 2, and this is section 7.1.3, number 7-35. So it says, study the following division problems and diagrams that represent them. Answer the question below each diagram. So here's my diagram, and what it represents is 8 divided by 1/3. Okay, 8 divided by 1/3. So if I look, what do I have? There's these rectangles, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. There's my 8, and it's divided by, right? 8 divided by 1/3. That rectangle is divided into thirds, right? So if I look at that's 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, right? So there's 1, 2, 3/3 in each one, which makes sense. That's a one whole. So it's divided into thirds. So how many thirds can you divide 8 into? So if we look, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So how many thirds? There's 24 thirds, right? If we see this division. So I want to reiterate, well, what when we talk about division of a fraction is the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal, right? So when you divide by a fraction, you actually are multiplying by the reciprocal. And if we think about this, that's 8 times 3 over 1, which is 8 times 3, and 8 times 3 is 24. So we can visually see that there's 24 thirds when you divide 8, as well as you can look at the mathematics behind that. So if we look at B, same situation here. Now we have 8, so there's one box here, and that one box is divided into fourths, right? That's 1/4, another fourth, another fourth, and another fourth. So there's 4/4, right? 4/4 is one whole. So I've got 4/4 here. So 4 there, 4 there, 4 there, 4 there. So that's 4/4 times the 8 is 32/4. So there's 32/4 is what it's been divided. And again, we think about what division is. When you divide by a fraction, dividing by the fraction is multiplying by its reciprocal. And so 8 times 4 is, oops, there you go, 32. So we have 32/4. Okay, that's how it's represented.